morning, everybody. Checking in a little bit early today. 2:41 a.m. So today we'll be heading out onto the lake. Got a new pole I'm testing out. We got Mike and Rich, Ella, and Mike's dad, David. So it'll be a lot of fun. Stay tuned. Enjoy the video. Sunrise. What did you say we were fishing for? Largemouth bass. Bartlett Lake. There you go. Number one for the day. One for the day. Nice catch. How you feel, sir?
That was awesome. Let's get some more.
Let's do it. Still can't see. Alright, so we're looking for the otters. We just heard some otters over here. That was a little close. That was a little close. Alright, so we're wrapping up our fishing trip. Bartlett Lake. It was fun. It was definitely fun. I'd never really done a lot of boat fishing when I was a kid. It was always from the shore. So that was a really fun experience. Got up here at the butt crack at dawn.
What time, Jacob?
Was it like 2 a.m.?
No, stop it.
I feel like I just went to bed and woke up right again.
Oh, that's your problem. 4 a.m.
Alright, so we were on the lake at 4 o'clock.
Yep.
Alright. And of course, David up there with his boat, he was out there with us as well.
Yep. We caught some good sized fish. Like a 3-pounder, nothing crazy.
Right.
A couple of 2-pounders and smaller ones, but we ended up with, between all of us, 6 fish. It was a rough day fishing, but also we had to come back early because we had some boat motor issues. So that kind of drove us off the lake kind of early too.
Well, didn't catch any fish, so it kind of sucked.
I did catch a fish with your lure though.
You did. Like, I went to tee up. Half that fish is my catch.
Easy.
Honestly. Easy. Because I'm the one that switched out the lure.
And yeah, I
pretty much kept it in your hand.
Because when I was showing you how to use this lure, the second cast out, the biggest one, the 3-pounder.
The second cast.
Oh yeah, nails it. And it
drops right in his mouth.
Yep. Yep. And then after that, Jacob hasn't caught anything with that lure. He can't even blame the lure for it because it was proven that the lure worked.
Poisoned it.
I christened. What is that word? I gave it my blessing, my stamp of approval.
Why don't you stamp of approval for me to catch some fish next time?
I ain't taking you again. My boat motor broke.
Getting towed the entire length of the lake back to the boat.
Well, we weren't the tire length.
It felt like it.
But we were.
Oh, that was half?
That's only half.
That's not entirely.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Sounds like a 20-minute ride back.
Lake Pleasant's a pretty good sized lake too, but a lot of the boaters go out there.
Right, a lot of big boats.
Yeah. So we try to go to this lake because it's a little smaller. Because it's not like a big open big lake. It's kind of like a big river pretty much.
Right.
So the boats don't really have much room to goop around in there.
Right. Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. Cova's in the clouds, rains acid. We're gonna get poisoned by the COVID-19 acid rain.
Mask up.
Mask up, absolutely.
Mask up. And they're in the vehicle driving the mask on.
Oh, absolutely, yeah. You know, that fresh air, even the companion beside you.
What they don't understand is keep your community small. So you get with people that you know.
Yeah, but
and they're not gonna get sick.
This whole
It's when you go out, kissing people, sharing water
Wait,
cups.
whoa. You do what?
You know, playing handsy.
You play handsies and kissing people?
Not wearing.
Oh, step back.
Not washing your hands.
I want to revisit your kissing.
Listen, people. When you go to the bathroom, wash your hands, and don't share drinks. That'll keep you from getting sick. 99% of the time. Promise.
Needless to say, we're over this COVID-19 thing.
Closing way too many parks. Roger?
Other than that motorcycle guy not wearing a mask.
Yeah, right.
I want to see a motorcyclist wear a mask under a helmet.
I saw one yesterday walking in the store. He said his helmet was his mask.
Oh, he was walking in with the helmet on?
Anything flies.
He was walking in with the helmet on?
He was in the store.
Visors up?
Shopping. He had a face guard.
Right.
But the lens was up.
Oh, that's awesome. I'm going to run around with my motorcycle
Acceptable.
helmet.
That's okay.
Yeah, motorcycle helmet. Roger.
Yeah. Put a piece of paper over your mouth. It ain't gonna work.
Yeah.
No science behind it.
Just keep your cuties from everyone else.
How much of this can I put in the video, Mike?
You put it all in. I don't care.
Yeah, I'll do it.
We're going to get so much hate.
We're just real. We're real.
You guys hate so much.
We're real.
Why can't you guys be somewhat considerate of the older folks?
We are considerate. You know, I take care of my elderly.
I do too.
My wife's mom, we take care of her all the time.
My parents on the deathbed. Close to it. I try to keep pushing them there, but for some reason they're really resilient.
They're like a weed in the pavement. That thing just never dies.
I love you, Mom, Dad. If you ever watch this, always love you.
Like Bermuda grass on the sidewalk.
Unbelievable.
How does that survive there?
I tell you exactly.
Just so ornery and stubborn.
Yeah. Yeah. That's my parents. Right there in a nutshell.
We'll be going back out. We got a lot of things coming up down the pike. We got more fishing trips. We got camping going out tomorrow. Going up north in Brisket. We got
Do a little day trip.
hunting coming up in August.
September.
Hunting coming September. You said August was bear.
August is bear, yeah.
Okay, so hunting every single month here on out.
Pretty much, that's how everything works.
You're gonna be in with me.
Yep.
So, we need to play more golf because I'm tired of doing things that you're good at.
Which is hard because the only thing I'm not good at is golf. Everything else in life, I'm freaking bomb at.
Easy.
Subscribe, like, comment. We do like hearing the comments, even if they're bad or not. Yeah, babe. Papa went home.
There you go.
He gone quick.